This is the original photo, and this is the bobblehead version of that photo that I created using ChatGPT, and this is the 3D version of that photo. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert any picture into a bobblehead photo using ChatGPT, and then later we can convert it into a real 3D object. So let me show you how you can do it. Okay, first let's go to chatgpt.com and then log in with your account. And for this example, I'll try to convert this picture into a bobblehead figure. Let's right click, copy, and then paste it into ChatGPT. So that's the quickest way to upload a picture from other pages on the internet. But if you have a picture from your computer or from your smartphone, then you can click on this plus button and then upload the file. Here, I'm going to be using this AI prompt. Don't worry, I'm going to provide the full prompt in the video description. So let me just copy and then paste it into ChatGPT. And basically, you can customize a few settings here. You can also specify the aspect ratio of the picture, but in this case, I'm going to be using the square aspect ratio. And also, I do recommend to enable the create an image mode. This will ensure that ChatGPT will immediately create a picture and send the message. So just wait until ChatGPT finishes creating the bobblehead version of that picture, and I'll be back in a minute. Alright, so once the image has been created, you can click on it, and then you can click this button to save it to your device. And the next thing that we need to do is that we have to convert this picture into a 3D object. So the site that I do recommend is Tripo3D.ai. This is the URL, and by the way, I'm going to leave the affiliate link in the video description. If you're using that link to sign up, you can get extra 300 credits on this platform. Anyway, let's visit the website. And after that, you want to log in with your account. I'll try to log in using this button, try Tripo3D. I don't know how to pronounce the name, but yeah, it's called Tripo3D or Tripo3D. I have no clue, but that's the name of the website. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention that this website is really resource intensive because it is running some 3D models, and if you're using a low-end computer, then it's going to take forever to load. And yeah, it can be exhausting, but it does work, and I would say the result is pretty good. So let me log in again. Alright, so just wait until the editor is open, and then later we can upload a picture and then turn it into a 3D object. So this is the website, and I'm going to click this button, single image. Click here, and let's select this picture. Alright, for the style, I'm not going to change anything, but if you want to use a different style like a cartoon, Christmas, Barbie, clay, or steampunk or anything, you can do so. But in this case, I'm going to be using the default style, which is the style of that picture. And here on the settings, I do recommend to enable PBR. Make sure that that setting is enabled because it will maintain the accuracy of the picture. And once you're done, you can click generate and just wait for this AI to turn that picture into a 3D object. So this process could take quite a while, and even though it seems like it's almost done because the progress bar here is really fake, in reality this tool will take usually about 1 hour just to create one 3D object. So it might take quite a while, but the result is pretty good. So this is the result, and of course this is the 3D version of that picture that I showed you earlier. And what's unique about Tripo3D is that they actually offer you to print the item into a physical object. You can create a fridge magnet, keychain, keycap, and 3D model. And I think that's part of the reason why the website is giving you free credits, maybe because they're expecting you to maybe purchase something from the website. I think that's actually pretty creative, and not to mention the result is pretty good. So if you feel like the result is something that you're looking for, then feel free to purchase something from this website. And if you want to get this as a 3D file, you can click the download button, and then you can use, let's say, Paint 3D or other software to open and then modify the texture or the object if you want to. And another alternative that you can use is this open source AI model called Step 1x 3D, and basically it allows you to convert a 3D picture, convert a picture into a 3D object, just like Tripo3D. But this tool is open source, and I'm going to leave the link in the video description. But basically, you just need to upload a picture and then click start, and then let AI turn that into the 3D object. And the process is a lot faster. It's about 2 to 3 minutes, so it's much faster than the 1 hour waiting time for Tripo3D. But anyway, that's basically it. All the links and the prompts will be available in the video description, so be sure to check it out. And if you feel this video to be if you feel like this video is useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.